Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Today we have something a little bit different. You know, I do a lot of Snap-on Smile videos. Today we have something called a Snap It, which is half of a Snap-on Smile. So let's go ahead and talk to the patient. We'll see what we'll let you know what we're talking about. So why did you come in to see us?
I had a missing tooth, and therefore I wanted to have a complete smile.
Okay, and your missing teeth is on which side?
The right side.
Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look. Turn to the left, please. And she's got beautiful teeth. Her teeth are gorgeous, and they're nice and white. But, bite down, she's missing a tooth. And ideally, we would recommend an implant, but the reason you did not want an implant, was it the cost or just the
overall concept of having to drill in my mouth?
Okay, and we didn't want to do a bridge because her teeth are very healthy. Turn to the left a little bit more on either side of the space. So we chose to do a Snap It. So let me show you what that is. First thing we do is we send the patient for digital impressions. So these are an exact custom fit. So we had an upper impression taken and a lower impression taken. Now, unlike your competitors such as Instant Smile and Brighter Image Lab, these actually are adjusted so you can eat with them. You cannot eat with their appliances. They will actually tell you cannot eat with them. Snap-on Smile is the only custom-made cosmetic appliance you can eat with. Now this one acts as a partial and a cosmetic appliance. So this is it. It's half of a Snap-on. We're only replacing the one tooth. So it's going to cover her other teeth, but only half. Now the bite is adjusted so she will be hitting even on both sides. That's why the hole. We don't want to alter her bite to where she's hitting more on this side, the right side, than the other. So it's literally going to fit over the area where the tooth is missing, which would be right here. So this appliance is going to fit directly on top of and cover completely the teeth on the right side, leaving everything else intact and her bite corrected. Go ahead and try it in. You know, are you excited?
Yes.
We did not alter your teeth in any way, correct?
No.
Okay, so go ahead and open. Now, we are really good at picking color. So picking a color is one of the most important things because we want to match her existing teeth. So here's the appliance, and it's literally going to fit over her right side, closing the gap. Watch the magic, and this booger fits fantastically. Bite down, turn to the left, turn to the right, smile big, and you haven't seen it, correct?
No.
All right, so we are going to let you see it. I'll tell you something, when I came in to look at the appliance, the patient hasn't seen it yet, I didn't even know what we had done. This is how well this appliance fits in and blends in with her existing teeth. I had no idea. I actually have to ask you what we did. Am I correct?
Yes.
So, I mean, I could read my chart, of course, but this is how amazing this is. So we're going to let the patient take it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you nervous?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So go ahead and turn the mirror over. It's gorgeous.
Oh, these are beautiful. Oh, yes. Oh, I love them. Exact match in color.
I know, it's perfect, right?
Absolutely gorgeous.
You can't even tell.
No.
I mean, which teeth are they?
Oh, wow.
I know, right?
Perfect.
And how's your bite?
Good.
So we did adjust it. You didn't see us. You didn't see it before we
No.
adjusted, but we did adjust it, and it fits like a glove.
Yes.
So you'll be able to eat and drink and everything.
Oh, wow.
Speech is good?
Yes.
Okay. Smile big. Look in front of the camera. It's pretty gorgeous. Okay, so what did you tell us? You said they look like what?
Real teeth.
They look like real teeth. This is a great case. So this is called a Snap It. It's half of a Snap-on. So you can actually build out one of the sides. She built out the right side to match the left and left the front teeth intact. It's another great thing that we can do with this appliance. And remember, unlike your competitors, you can actually eat and drink with these, not just a cosmetic appliance. I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.